Good morning. So today I'm going to share with you the most prolific bloomer in my collection. And this is Hoya occultata splash. Look at that. Even in a propagation, she thrived to bloom. And this one just opened. And this and the other one have two peduncle, two blooms. Isn't that awesome? So yeah, I love the splashy leaf, and it's so the yellow flower is lighter when it's freshly bloom, and then look at that. I'm gonna show you when it's older. It's much darker. Like for example, after a week, or not even a week, but you can see the difference, and they are more darker. So I hope it helps. And this is really very easy, like multiflora for me, so they are just easy to take care of. And thank you so much, hope you enjoy.